Hello viewers, welcome to Tactim. Today I will show you how to leave a Discord server. Go to your Discord apps or go to Discord from your browser. Then log into your account. Now from the left you can see the server names and profile picture. Click the server you want to leave. Now from the top, click the name of that server. Now on the last option you can see there is leave server. Click there. Again click leave server. You don't have to click any of that. Just press cross. Now you can see the server name from the left or profile picture. You are already left from the server. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.